EVBox is the largest electric vehicle charging station company in Europe. They're planning on moving to the US. They already have plans of doing so, but currently they have about 200,000 charging ports installed. They're in about 70 countries worldwide, and they also have 5,000 plus fast charging stations globally. There's other companies such as EVgo, which is just strictly a fast charging station company, but EVBox is by far the biggest, and in my opinion, they have the best valuation in terms of what they already are doing. They have about a 45% market share in Europe and in the whole entire Europe, and they're generating about $100 million in revenue as of 2020. This year, they're planning on increasing that, and they do have pretty high projections for 2021, but they're much further ahead than all the other companies right now. Like EVgo, they have about 800 or 900 fast charging stations, and EVBox, they have 200,000 charging ports and 5,000 fast charging stations. So they're very far ahead of them. Currently, the stock ticker symbol is TPGY. EVBox is going public via a SPAC merger, and a couple things to keep in mind is that right now at a $25 per share price, it's around $3 billion market cap, and that's pretty important. That's pretty, that's a pretty good value for companies in this space right now. If you're looking at Blink Charging or Switchback Energy, these companies have significantly higher valuations in terms of their revenue and the numbers they're currently doing. But EVBox, they already have significant portion of revenue. A lot of this in the future is going to be coming from their software business, which is going to be huge. They plan to develop mobile software to accompany their products, and they estimate that this will help increase their margins, not only increase the revenue, but help increase their margins down the road. They currently have software, including their Everon EV charging app, which allows users to find and pay for nearby charging stations. But either way, EVBox is making major partnerships with parking space companies. They're the largest in Europe by far. They're looking to expand into the US, and they also have this charging EV charging station app that allows people to pay and find charging stations. So at a $3 billion valuation with about $100 million in revenue, they're in a rapidly growing industry. I own the stock. I personally think it has a lot of potential. It is high risk, high reward, but if you think they're going to be more electric vehicles, there's going to have to be more charging stations, and this is the clear leader by far. I think they probably have the most electric charging ports out of all the countries in the world. This company, I think they have more than any other company around the world. They have 200,000 plus charging ports, and all the other companies, at least I've done research into, have significantly less than that.